going to paint my cabinet. This is my corner cabinet, and I'm only going to paint just the front part of it, inside and out. I'm not going to worry about the size of it because it's going to stay in this corner. So I'm just going to paint just the inside and the outside. And I already have been to Walmart's, and I got this paint. It's chalk paint. This is what we're going to use today. And also I bought this clear wax. Now this is the first time me using this. We're going to do this together today. And I got my brushes, and I got my tape, and I have already taped off where the window is here. I already take the in and out of it on both sides, and I went on and took out the hardware out also, and the rest of it I'm just going to paint over it. And I got some tape also on the little hinges here. So we're going to get started. First of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and clean it up real good. I already have wiped it out real good, so I'm just going to kind of just clean it just a little bit more. Okay, so I got my paint ready, and this chalk paint is real thick, so you don't have to use as much of it. So I'm gonna get ready to start painting the inside first. And I'm gonna try to stay out the way of the camera. Let my back get in it. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna get started. Go ahead and take the tape off. It's pretty good, don't it? I think it looked great. Okay, now I'm going to sand this. I got my little sand brush, and I'm just going to sand it real lightly because I want to make it look like it's been distressed, and just make it look like it's been used for a long time. Okay, I'm just going to stress it just a little bit, and then I'm going to put the camera up so y'all can see it. Okay. And when you're stressing, make sure you get around the edges here, but just don't overdo it. Just make it look like it's been used. Don't just go crazy with it. Just do it just a little bit. And I'll show y'all what I'm talking about after, because my camera can't get as close. So what I'm gonna do when I finish with it, I'm gonna show y'all what I did. Okay, this is what I've did so far, and I did use 100 grit sand brush, and just see how I just distress it just so. I distress it just a little bit here, and make sure you get around the edges. This is how it should look, but you can do it as much as you want, but I just want to sand it just a little bit. Just kind of on the edges. Then I went on, and even on my my knob, I went on and sand that too. Even the handles, I kind of sanded them a little bit, and it just make it looks real old. You can see how that did that. It takes a little work, but after you finish with it, it's gonna look really, really good. And I sand a little knob. And like I say, up there in the corner, if I can get to it, right here in the corner, make sure you get that real, real good. And I think I did a good job on that. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to get my vacuum cleaner, and I'm gonna just vacuum all inside of it and get all the dust out of it. And then I will come back. Okay, now I'm just gonna wipe it out real good. Make sure I got all the dust out of it. All right. Okay, now we're gonna put our clear wax on it. And I'm gonna use a brush. You could use a towel. Make sure it's lint free if you try to use it, because you don't want your wax to be caught up in that lint. Okay? So, and this is how it looks. And so you only use just a tab. So just put your brush on there, just a tab, just a little bit. And then you're gonna go here to your cabinet, and hope you can see it. I'll do this out here first. And you're just gonna rub it in real good. Don't use a lot. So this is the final results of our work. I think we did a fantastic job. I'm gonna come up on it just a little bit and let y'all see where it was sanded. And what the wax does, the wax just kind of have it, give it a little, just a little tap shine to it, and it protects the wood. Like I said, this is gonna be my display kit, decorated for fall. So watch for my next video. I'm gonna come up on it a little bit more. I think we done a real good job. Okay, everybody, we all done with this project. So we're gonna look forward to the next one. And I think I'm going to decorate with my fall colors I have here. These are the colors I'm going to use, and I can't wait to use them. They're going to be so, so pretty. So y'all tune in the next time, and y'all be blessed, be safe, and may God bless. Bye-bye.